Henrietta Lacks was a 31-year-old African-American mother of five. She went into the hospital complaining of a sharp pain in her lower abdomen. The diagnosis, aggressive cervical cancer. Doctors performed a biopsy. As was common practice then, without consent, they took two samples, one for diagnosis and one for research. At the time, scientists around the world were desperately trying to grow human cells outside the body. They always died within days, but Henrietta's didn't. They multiplied and never stopped. Her cells defied everything scientists thought they knew about biology. They didn't age. They didn't die. They were, for all intents and purposes, immortal. They were named HeLa cells, short for Henrietta Lacks, and they became the foundation of modern biomedical science. Without her knowledge or her family's consent, her cells went on to help develop the polio vaccine, contribute to cancer research, AIDS treatment, gene mapping, and even space experiments. Be used in over 75,000 scientific studies, they were commercialized, shipped worldwide. Her cells became a multi-billion-dollar industry. Meanwhile, her family lived in poverty, unaware for decades that part of their mother was alive in labs across the planet. In the 1970s, scientists contacted her relatives not to get permission, but to collect more genetic material to help manage the rampant HeLa contamination in labs. It wasn't until the 1990s and 2000s that journalists and bioethicists uncovered the truth. The story became a lightning rod for bioethics, informed consent, and racial injustice in science. Henrietta's body died in 1951. Her cells are still alive today. They divide endlessly. About 20 tons of her cells have been grown to date. A single woman, erased from the story for decades, became one of the most important contributors to science in human history.